Today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms for scheduling. This is a fantastic way to collect appointment preferences from clients, students, or team members without the back and forth of emails or phone calls. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to sign in with your Google credentials if you haven't already. This gives you access to all of Google Forms features and ensures your scheduling form is saved to your account. After logging in, you'll see several template options, but for our purposes, we want to start fresh. Click on Blank Form. This opens up a completely new form where you can customize everything to fit your scheduling needs. Starting with a blank form gives you full control over the questions and format. Now you'll see your first question field ready to be customized. The key to scheduling is collecting date information, so click on the drop-down menu that currently says Multiple Choice. From the options that appear, select Date. This changes the question type to specifically capture calendar dates, making it much easier for people to pick their preferred appointment day. Next, click on where it says Untitled Question at the top of the question box. This is where you'll enter your actual question. Type, what date would you like to schedule your appointment? This clear, direct question tells respondents exactly what information you need from them. With your date question set up, it's time to add another question for the time. Click the plus icon, which you'll find on the right side of your current question. This adds a new question field to your form, allowing you to gather multiple pieces of information in one submission. Just like before, you'll need to change the question type. Click the drop-down menu on this new question and select Time. This option is specifically designed to capture time information, giving your respondents an easy way to indicate when they'd prefer their appointment. In the question field for this new section, type what time would you like to schedule your appointment. Now you have both essential pieces of scheduling information covered, the date and the time, which gives you everything you need to book appointments efficiently. Before sending this form out, it's always smart to test how it looks and functions. Click the preview button, which you'll find in the upper right toolbar. This opens your form in a new window exactly as your respondents will see it, allowing you to ensure everything works smoothly and looks professional. And that's it. You've successfully created a scheduling form using Google Forms that captures both date and time preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.